This video tutorial will walk you through how to facilitate a virtual lesson using Nearpod and Google Hangouts. To start, I've gone to hangouts.google.com while signed into my Google account. From there, I'll start a video call and I'll invite my students to join. To invite your students to your Hangouts, you can copy the link and share out the link, or you can invite your students via email. From there, you have the option to turn your camera on or off. You have the Google Hangouts chat functionality, and you can share your screen. Next, I'll open up a second browser that I have open with my Nearpod lesson. I've already launched it out as a live lesson in Nearpod, so all I have to do is instruct my students to go to join.nearpod.com and enter in this code. Alternatively, you can enter the code into the chat using Hangouts, or you can share out the code using email, social media, a link, Google Classroom, Remind, or Microsoft Teams. Once my students start joining the lesson, I can begin. As I navigate through the slides in the lesson, my students will follow along on their individual devices. As I go through the lesson, my students can enter their questions through the Google Hangouts chat. When I land on a Nearpod activity, my students will respond on their own devices, and I'll see the responses come through to my teacher dashboard in real time. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@nearpod.com. Thanks for watching.